Hey guys, it's Runescape Help here, bringing you the new update, the Bloodwood 3, aka the Bakriminel bolts. So you can start cutting the trees by speaking to Mummy Rimba north of Edgeville by the lodestone. So just talk to her and get as many as you want, like 50, just I did. Yeah, you can get around maybe 20 logs a day, but that was a rough estimate. So this is the first tree I will show you at Solvers. Just you have to cut it, which requires 85 woodcutting, and to fletch the bolts you need 92 fletching. And in the trees where they aren't in the wieldy, they will give less logs, so it's worth going into the wilderness. Also, make sure you fletch the logs near to the tree, because if you don't, they will disappear. So it gives 320 woodcutting XP and 130 XP per making 10 bolts. So that was the second tree near the Chaos Altar. The third tree is near the Demonic Ruins, and the last tree is near the Mage Arena west of it. Also, they give 125 ranged bonus, and they cost 450 GP each. And also they hit fairly high in PvP and PVM. I believe they work in PVM too. I will give you short footage of what the bolts do and how high they hit. That's it, and thanks for watching.